Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Groove Notepad tool in Microsoft Office Groove 2007. Open Groove 2007 and log in with the Groove account. Open a workspace, either new one or existing one, and add a Notepad tool from Add a tool to this workspace option. Notepad tool allows members to create documents that are saved as pages. To add a new note, click on New Note. A new blank Untitled page opens in the Notepad. Add a name in the title box and enter content for the note in the editing area. And we can format the text also by right-clicking on the text. Come to font option. Here we can change the font size, font color, and font styles, and we can also select more fonts. Similarly, if you want to edit the paragraph, come to paragraph option, and we can use all these features available in paragraph section. Come to the font. I want to change the font size and font color, and we can also format the text from the options available on the top. After this, click on Save and Close. Similarly, I want to create few more Notepad pages, and after that, click on Show Page List to see a list of the Notepad pages that we have already added to the Notepad tool. And the note list provides status about notes such as their size, modified date, and modified by, that is the last editor. To navigate among the pages, click on the Previous or Next buttons. And if you want to edit a note page, select the page and click on Edit and make the changes to the text. And after that, click on Save and Close. Sometimes if we get a number in the Edit button, that means one or more other members are currently editing the selected note page. We can point at the Edit button to know who is currently editing the note page. So another workspace member is already editing the selected page. Groove prompts us to decide whether we want to edit the note anyway or wait until the other member is done editing. If you decide to continue and edit the page, click on Yes. If we try to save this, Groove saves our changes in a new conflict copy of the note page. Click on OK. And a conflict page also includes a link back to the original Notepad page. Likewise, if you are editing a page and another member begins to edit the same page, Groove briefly displays a message to inform us that another member has started to edit the page. If this happens, our changes are saved back to the original document and the other members' changes are saved in a new conflict copy, including the source file link. And after this, if you want to rename a note page, right click on the note in the note list and select rename, and here type a new name and press enter. Alternatively, type a new name in the title box. When we are editing a selected note, click on Save and Close. Then the name has renamed for the note page. If you want to delete a note page, select a note page and click on delete, or we can press delete button from our keyboard, and it will ask for the confirmation. Are you sure you want to delete the file Chairman Meet and its contents? Click on yes to confirm the deleting, and the note page has removed from the note list. If you want to search for a text in a note page, select the page in which we want to search for text. Come to Edit menu and select to find. We can also use Ctrl+F shortcut key. In the Find dialog box, enter the text you want to search for in the note page, and we can select options to refine the search for case sensitivity or whole word matching, and also select the direction up or down. After that, click on Find Next, and it will find the text relating to the Find What field. Again, click on Find Next, and then it will jump to same other word, and the search will proceed in the selected direction to the top or bottom of the note page and then stops. After this, if you want to print a note page, open the note page, come to File menu and click on Print to print any note we are currently editing or simply selected in the note list. Like this, we can use Grow Notepad tool in Microsoft Office Grow 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video to your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.